I'm going to take a tack cloth to clean up any of this dust. I am going to use this Zinsser cover stain oil-based primer. Stuff works great. Just do a thin coat on this sill with my throwaway chip brush. I'm going to do the primer before I caulk this in. The caulking will stick to the primer better. I'm going to try not to have to paint this, just the sill. Put this on real thin so I don't get crazy brush strokes. Try to spread this out. I am going to sand it before I actually paint it too, so. All right, so we'll let that dry for, you're supposed to let it dry for about 2 hours. I think in about an hour I can sand it out and do some caulking and paint, and I should be fine. This is dry. I'm gonna take a sanding block. This is probably about 120 as well. And I'm gonna sand this, try and get it smooth. Get this edge here. Hit this with the tack cloth again. Caulk this in right here. Some paintable caulking. This is a semi-gloss, bright white, just like the rest of the paint in the house. I'm gonna touch up the sides too, even if just to cover that caulking, so hopefully it doesn't crack. That's why I'm going a little over to try and cover all of the caulking. First coat is dry. Do a second coat.